All right. So we're going to be talking today about P5.JS. P5.JS is an extension of processing. Processing in this traditional form runs in Java. P5.JS is JavaScript, which runs in the browser. It was originally started by Laura McCarthy, who's an artisan educator based in LA. But now P5.JS is a part of the processing sort of family and is a really cool project that extends a lot of the functionality and options for processing projects. It maintains, as we'll see, a lot of the same, most of the same structure and syntax for writing code. So it's really easy to transition between the two. But because it's JavaScript, it means that we can run our projects in the browser, you can share them online, and we can take advantage of a lot of the really cool things that JavaScript can do. So this is the P5.JS website. It's at p5js.org. This is a good place to start if you are looking for examples for the reference, for example, here, where you're trying to get used to the syntax and stuff like that. But we're going to walk through some of the basics of creating a P5.JS sketch, how that works, some of the differences with the traditional processing in Java mode, and that kind of thing.